Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Bard AI for keyword research. Now, keyword research is very important if you are starting a new website and want it to rank in the top ranks. Now, we will be using Bard AI because most of the time Google is used for searches and Bard AI will have the best information about this as Bard AI is powered by Google. So first of all, let's just open up our browser. Now let's just go straight to Bard AI, enter. Now go to the website. Now once you're at the website, you will have to make yourself an account. Now in here, you will have to type in this prompt right here. Generate a table containing 30 semantically distinct and relevant topics under the broad category of you will have to put in the category that you want to write the articles in. For example, I'm just gonna go for Formula One racing, let's say, and utilize the Google Sheets format. Now, after writing this prompt, just click on submit. So, in here, it has given me 30 topics according to my given category. For example, history of Formula One cars, Formula One races, Formula One drivers, Formula One teams, Formula One technology, Formula One fans, sponsors, media, and so on and so forth. Now, after you've gotten the topics, you will have to type in this prompt right here. Provide 10 distinct keyword variations of you will have to insert the topic of your choice out of these 30 right here that cater to different search intents. Organize them in Google Sheets format. Now, if you go for each of the 30 topics, you will have 300 keywords which you can use for your article writing. Now, I'm just gonna type in here, let's say Formula One drivers. Just gonna type that in. Formula One drivers. After that, just hit submit again. So here it has given you 10 keyboard variations for that topic right here. For example, Formula One drivers list, most successful Formula One drivers, highest paid Formula One drivers by nationality, and so on and so forth. It has also given you the search intent right here. Informational, and the last one right here is navigational. Now you can just save them by just clicking on this export to sheets button right here and be saved in your Google Sheets. Now, as I said earlier, if you use a second prompt for each of the topics, you will have 300 article ideas that you can use while writing your next article to rank among the top websites. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can use Bard AI for keyword research. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.